Y'all probably like 2 videos. I told y'all, bro. Once we start getting shoes coming in, I'm gonna be able to drop more videos. You know what I'm saying? I just can't drop video. I ain't gonna drop a video right now. I'm talking about. So, my bad. My bad. I got a lot of energy right now. Low power mode popped up. That's why that happened. Anyway, today we're doing something very special. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too big, nothing too crazy. They clean for the most part. I don't gotta dye this suede. All I gotta do is remove this paint. And just, so it's basically just a simple, you know, some repaint. This shoe isn't as bad. It's just this side. On the fours, you know what I'm talking about. My bad. So yeah, these are my homegirl shoes off Instagram. Sorority sister. Not mine, you know what I'm saying, but like she in a sorority. So I'm doing these for her. This is my first time taking like a close up look of them. Cause if you saw, I was trying to finish editing. I was trying to post that last video of the 6-day thing. Before I did these, cause I did want to post a video on them. Like, who wouldn't want to see a pair of fours being restored? You know what I'm saying? It's all about the views. So yeah. So basically, I don't gotta really. It won't be a cleaning. I don't gotta clean them because the suede already good for the most part. This is gonna be the removal of the paint and then repainting this. And you can't see it on the camera, but the white part needs to be repainted. You can see a little bit. The white part needs to be repainted too. But like as far as the red and then like the black on the upper, the gray, everything's fine. So quick little easy simple, you know, job today. And I can finish it and I can finally get paid the other half. Yay, everybody gets what they want, you know what I'm saying? If y'all want my videos. But nah, we're about to get into the video. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? If you're in Tallahassee, if you're not in Tallahassee, you want to send me your shoes and work on them. My price list, I finally put a price list on my Instagram, so y'all can go check that out. Instagram is always in the bio. Not the bio. My Instagram is always in the description, so y'all just go check that out. So yeah, we're going to get into this video. Alright. So what I was trying to point out the other is I always wear a mask when dealing with acetone, and I always wear gloves because it dries out your skin and irritates it. I don't see how females like hold it in front of their face, like rub it on their nails for such a long period of time because that junk is strong. And then another thing I was trying to show y'all, you can put like paper towels or tissue in here near the airbag when removing paint on the midsole, so you won't get like paint down in your airbag and then you gotta try and like dig it out with something, you know, to get it back to its original color. So and when you put it in, like pack it down in there, like push it in and tear off the extra, and when you're done, you should be straight. So yeah, when dealing with acetone, always protect yourself, you know what I'm saying, because you don't want to lose fingers and then you realize how tough life is without hands or fingers. Same thing. So yeah, now we're about to get to the paint, or to the painting, and I know it may not look the prettiest. Well, it does like that but like, yeah, it may not look the prettiest, but my main purpose was just to try to get all the chipping paint and stuff off of it. So when I paint back over it, I get an even layer, and it won't be like you can see like different pieces like flaking off already because I didn't get it all off, but I did. So it may not look the prettiest, but that was just my main purpose. So this, keep forgetting, like this part will be black right here, this thick part, and then this part down here will be white, and then I might have to repaint the edges of the red part because some of the white got on there when I was getting the white off. But the gray is still in good condition. I have the cement paint, so I might go back over that too. And then at the end, I'm gonna just go over the suede with the with Angela's Easy Cleaner, because you don't need water with it. Clean it with the Easy Cleaner and then wipe off with the a microfiber towel just to get like the paint residue, well not paint residue, but like the paint chips that may have gotten on the suede, just to get that off. And then, yeah, we're pretty much gonna be done. You know what I'm saying? Quick little video for the YouTube. hope y'all enjoyed the video. I didn't take a video ever before of the shoot, so I'm gonna just use the picture. I'm gonna use it as a thumbnail for this video, just to show, because basically that's all it was. It was just like the cracking on the sides. So it's gonna be that, and then the after, you know what I'm saying? I gotta make it dramatic, gotta add a beat, all that, you know, the special effects or whatever. Not special effects, but yeah, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share, you know, hit a little, it's a little bell now, I guess. Hit that and make sure it's on notify at all times when I upload a video, so y'all know when I upload a video, you know what I'm saying? Well, I will post it on my socials, but next video will be like a kind of a custom, I guess you could say custom, a custom of some Air Force Ones for my barber OP, you know what I'm saying? A little group project, but I'm the one doing the work. So yeah, I'll see y'all boys in the next video. Stay wavy.
The way this nigga hit production.
Welcome home, Columbia. Beautiful, beautiful.
Stay safe in the street.